Hello everyone, this is Christian over at Hartnell Chevrolet. I just want to do a real quick how-to video on how to use the Valet Mode in all of the new Chevy vehicles. A lot of my customers don't really know how exactly it works, what it locks down, and different things like that. So I wanted to do a video real quick. So if I go home, you've got your normal radio screen. If you go to settings, and then it'll usually default to system, you got to go over to vehicle. And then all the way at the bottom, this is the bottom, you go all the way to the bottom and you click Valet Mode. Then it will pop up this screen to show you a 4-digit PIN. It'll ask you to enter a 4-digit PIN. Every time you do this, it will ask for a new PIN. So you can change it up if you'd like. I'm just going to make it real easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to click enter and then I'm going to confirm it. And now lock. Now, the vehicle will lock itself, and what it does is it allows the valet driver to drive your vehicle, but they can't take it over a certain speed. If I come and show you over here, the dial on the steering wheel right here, I can't adjust anything on the dash. I can't play with any of those settings. You can't press the home button. None of that stuff. So they can't mess with your radio settings, they can't mess with your dash settings, and they can't mess with your memory seats and different things like that. All they can do is adjust the climate controls. They can turn up the heat and turn down the heat, and if you have heated or cooled seats, they can adjust those. That is it. So I just wanted to make this real quick video to show you guys how to do it. When you get back in your vehicle, you just enter in the same PIN that you had, you unlock, and the vehicle will wake itself, and then you can go back to using your vehicle as you wish. So hope that helps any of you guys out that had a question on it. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you also have any other questions, I will put our number in the description below, so you can give me a call if you have any other questions. So I hope this helped out, and we'll see you guys in the next how-to video.